Hello, dear students. Good morning to all of you. Okay, let's begin. Start our today's politics class. Given the last class, we have discussed about the majoritarian attitude of the Sinhala government in Sri Lanka, and at last it was turned to the civil war and created so many destruction in the Sri Lanka. Okay, now we are going to discuss the next topic. That is, you can see that topic is accommodation in Belgium. Accommodation in Belgium. Okay, accommodation means problem solving, settling the issues. Okay, that means we already started our chapter with these two stories from the Belgium and the Sri Lanka, and we find out the case, or we understood the case of Sri Lanka. Now we are moving to the case of the Belgium. How the Belgium leaders took decision for their power sharing arrangement. That means the Belgium leaders took a different path. They are recognized the existence of the cultural diversities and ethnic diversities of the country. For the unity of the country, they were decided to settle the issues, to solve the problems. For this purpose, they were amended their constitution in 4 times from the period between 1970 to 1993. On the period of the 23 years they were amended their constitution 4 times, and this time they were arranged and worked for a better level of the power sharing arrangement, for the togetherness, for the unity of the country, to maintain the fraternity of the country. So this Belgium power sharing arrangement is a good model for others or other world democratic countries. So this is known as Belgium model. So the power sharing arrangement of the Belgium is known as the Belgium model. It have 4 elements. The Belgium model have the 4 elements. The first one, you can see that what is first one. The constitution prescribes that the number of Dutch and French-speaking ministers shall be equal in the central government. Some special laws require the support of the majority members from each linguistic group. Thus, no single community can make decision unilaterally. That means the first element of the Belgium model is their constitution clearly prescribed that there should be a central government. There should be a central government. That central government for the entire country have a ministry. The number of ministers to this central government from both the French and Dutch speaking communities are equal in number. Even though Dutch speakers are majority in the population, but they have no more number of ministers in the central government ministry. There should be equal number of the ministers from the French and Dutch speaking community, and also to bring or to issue or to act for some special laws, it need be the majority support of the both communities. It should be need of the majority support of the both linguistic groups of the French and Dutch. If any linguistic group didn't support in majority way towards a particular law, that not passed or that not enacted. Okay, so as a result, there is no single community can alone make decision unilaterally. There is no chance to make a unilateral decision or a unanimous decision by any one of the group. Okay, that is the one form of the Belgium model. And the second is that the many powers of the central government have been given to the state government of the 2 regions of the country. State government are not subordinate to the central government. The second element of the Belgium model is there should be set up a state government for the Flemish region and Wallonia region. In other words, for the Dutch speakers and the French speakers, many of the powers of the central government should be handed over, should be transferred to the state government, as well as the state government is not subordinate to the central government. That means state government is not answerable to the question of the central government. This is the second element of the Belgium model. And third element of the Belgium model is Brussels has a separate government in which both communities have equal representation. the French-speaking people accepted the equal representation in Brazil because the Dutch-speaking community has accepted the equal representation in the central government. The third one was on the city of the capital of the Belgium is Brussels. The city of the capital is Belgium is Brussels. In the Brussels, they will set up a separate government. That separate government also have the equal number of the representation. Even though in the Brazil, the French are majority people, but they were ready to agree the equal participation for the Dutch and French in the Brazil government. By already for the central government, Dutch are ready to agree or provide equal number of the ministers to the Dutch and French. So here, in the case of the Brazil, French also ready to provide the equal chance of the representation from the Dutch and French communities. Okay, then the fourth one, the fourth element of the Belgium model. Apart from the central state government, there is a third kind of government, or the fourth kind of government. That is community government. It's elected by the people belonging to the one language community, Dutch, French, and German speaking. No matter where they live, this government has the power regarding cultural, educational, and language related issues. Okay, that apart from the central government, state government, and the separate government in Brazil, there was another kind of government is called community government. This community government is a form of kind of government which was chosen or belonging to particular language group. That means, in the case of the Belgium, there should be 3 community government, one for Dutch speaking community, second for French speakers, and third for German speakers. Okay, and the members of each community government should be from their own community. For example, the full members of the Dutch community is only from the Dutch speaking people, and full members of the French speaking only from the French speakers, and full members of the German community government is only from the German speakers. There is no other participation from the other language group. Okay, and what is the powers of this community government? They have the power regarded or related with educational, cultural, language issues of particular community. They can solve the issues of educational, cultural, and language matter by their own community government. Okay, so it is a good the arrangement of the power sharing. It was when we are thinking about this power sharing arrangement, we think that it is very complicated, but it worked well so far in Belgium. It is a model for the world countries, and also as a result of this good form of the power sharing arrangement, it avoids a civic strife or a civic conflict between 2 major communities of the Belgium that are the French and Dutch speakers, and also they have avoided a possible division of the country on the linguistic lines. So if they are trying to conflict, it may maybe divide the country on the Wallon region and Flemish region, but it was not happened because of the wise decision of the Belgium leaders. And when later many of the countries of the Europe came together to form the European Union, Brussels, the capital city of the Belgium, Brussels, was chosen as its headquarters. Later, many of the European countries, they were formed their own union, is called the European Union or EU. European Union or EU. When these European Union members, they were recognized the Brussels as the headquarters of the European Union. That indicates a good systematic political atmosphere of the Belgium. Okay, anyway, now we can stop this topic. We can continue with the next class. Thank you for all. Good morning.